Alright guys, so I'm actually going to see Jimmy Kimmel. I'm so excited. You have to like kind of send them like a message of why you want to attend. It is for free, but they will send you like an email if it is accepted. So we're gonna go next week on the 29th of April, and we're gonna see Goldie Hawn. So that's pretty cool. And I guess we're seeing these people as well. I've never heard of them before, so I'm not sure who they are, but it's exciting. I'm so excited to be going to see them. I got 2 tickets for me and Richard, so I'm excited. Wow, that's actually pretty cool. They were $49 at Target, and we got 2 of them because we're gonna have a beach day. Look at Ozzy. I swear this dog just lives to relax. So these are the chairs. We love them. So we are ready. We are totally ready for the beach.
Our next beach day.
So cute. Oh, this is so cool. They turned it to purple for the fan fest night. The Sailor Moon. I can't wait. We're going next Thursday, right? I think no, the following week, I believe, right? Yeah, the following week.
I know, it feels like April's almost coming up. I think April 1st or May 1st is on Friday.
That's true. This is so cool. I'm just so excited for the Sailor Moon. That's what I'm excited about.
It's a loop.
Alright, we're getting something to eat. And then I don't know what we're going to do after that, but we're probably going to go down to the lower lot and just hang out. See? It's pretty packed. Cool. Oh, this is our favorite drink as well. Love this one. But the Mario one is our number 1. Oh, you guys, it is so packed up here. Like, insanely packed. But we're excited. We finally got the felonious float. So delicious. So we're going to have that, walk around a little bit, and then probably go home.
I guess we have to go to that place then.
That one? Alright. Alright, let's go.
This one has good express too.
Oh yeah. Wowza. It is so packed. Good?
It's good.
Yay! It's coming home with us. It's coming home with us. That's the One Piece Cafe. We are ready to go home. Alright guys, so this is the new gates here at Universal. It's basically closing off City Walk and Universal Studios. I don't know, I don't really like them. I don't know why they have them, but I don't like them at all, but it is what it is. But we're going home because it's raining. We got some popcorn and we're hungry, so let's go. See, they're closing it off. Here they're closing it off completely. Eventually you won't be able to go in. But yeah, I really want to know what is going on and why they're closing it. So probably have to do some homework, but I don't know. What do you guys think about it? Do you think City Walk and Universal should be completely closed or what?
Jesus.
You guys, Selena sat there. Just thought I'd let you know. Whew, all right. Well, I got a little bit wet, but I did, oh my God, my hair. I did speak to a security guard, and he did say that they're going to close the whole park, including City Walk, and you would have to enter, there'll be a checkpoint in the garage. So there is going to be a checkpoint, which is for the whole park and City Walk. Right. Also, you guys, I'll show him when we get home. But we got Optimus Prime. Here's the popcorn bucket. He is a newbie and wet. Oh, that's so cool. That is so cool. Yeah, he's hella wet. But let's go home. It is raining. We're gonna cook some burgers and just chill out, and hopefully Ozzy poos when we go. So let's go. Also, we are going to FanFest night in 2 weeks. So I'm so excited because I'm a huge Sailor Moon fan. So they have Sailor Moon merch and whatnot, so I'm excited to see that. But yes, traffic looks crazy, so let's go. Alright guys, so very quickly, if you're a makeup girly like me, this NYX Fat Oil Slick Click is really good. It's really good. I have it right on. I have it right now. So I got this at Target last night. So it's really good. But we are home. So let's cook some burgers. Alright guys, so we're back home. We just took Ozzy out and we have some burgers cooking. So actually let's just get the whole thing. Bacon, butter and cheese. And then always have to have lettuce in my burgers and tomato. I also wanted to show you this. I got this at Target. This is the cold foam creamer and it's Harry Potter. So I'm super excited. Okay, put the cheese away. I like having the 2-door fridge. It's like one of my favorites. Oopsies. Alright guys, so we just made some homemade burgers and we're gonna watch the Hulk Hogan series on Netflix. So I'll see you later.
The front row and the family showed up.
Love me some Billy Joel. We're listening to Vienna. It's a good song. We just came back from Costco. Wow, I completely missed the T on that. Costco. Costco. Oh gosh. Buena Vista, sir. Costco. It is the cheapest that we have ever spent in Costco. We spent, how much was it? $29, $30? $30. We bought 2 wings, our favorite wings. So we're gonna go home, we're gonna put them in the Ninja and eat them because we are hungry. We both ate breakfast in the morning and we're now starving. So so sometimes like when you eat in the morning, oh my god, you like zip your metabolism and you're just like like I need to eat. Go people, come on. Okay. Yeah, it is because he's on his phone. That's the thing. Guy is on his phone. Alright, let's go. Look how bright my kitchen is with this light. It is insane. I love this light. It has helped a lot. Look, that's how it is without it. And that's how it is with the light. Get you one of these. These are so cool. Comes with different things. Can get. Ooh. See, so cool.
Yeah, here, so I guess we'll see how they turn out.
Alright guys, so I got this top for $8 and I literally feel like a sardine in it, but it's for me working out, obviously. It's hurting my throat, but it is what it is. But yeah, I'm excited. It's all black. I have been doing the Stairmaster for a couple of days now and I love it, so I thought why not get a top and yeah, wear it when I work out and I have to wear like just my regular tops. So but yeah, let's take Mr. Ozzy out because he needs to go